another wig review. Today's wig is kindly gifted from Access Beauty. You've seen my wig reviews before, you'll know that I love Access Beauty, and this is from Outre, which is my favourite brand of synthetic wigs. Every wig that I've had from Outre has been amazing, so I'm really excited to try this one. This one is called Florence and it is in the shade Golden Amber. The length, holy ghost. Oh, I'm obsessed. This is a T-part wig, so it comes like this. It comes with like loads of baby hairs. I probably will cut them off myself. Isn't this stunning? And the quality of the hair. Outre's synthetic hair just feels like real hair, and I always notice this with the wigs. They just are amazing. They don't tat as much as normal synthetic wigs. It's 32 inches, so it is proper long. So I think for me, I might snip it maybe till about there.
So I just went in and give it a wee trim, installed it, and this is how it looks. Definitely give this a 10 out of 10.